So we have some information for you about eligibility for the college credit in the OnRamps Pre-Cal course in this presentation. You're in OnRamps Pre-Calculus, and the standard path towards college credit would mean that as of the first semester, you made a 59.5 or higher in the college course. If that's the case, you are eligible for college credit. And once you're eligible for college credit, you can either accept your credit and the letter grade goes on your college transcript, or you can decline your credit and it'll have no impact on your college transcript. Alternatively, if in the first semester you made less than a 59.5 in the college course, you are ineligible for the college credit. You can enjoy earning high school credit and not worry about the college part. However, if you're interested in still receiving college credit, you can take the TSI to prove your college readiness and submit your score to the college course by Friday, February 24th. Once you've done that, you are eligible for college credit, and then you'll have the same option to either accept or deny that credit. So in the OnRamps portal, you're able to see your mid-year status for earning college credit for pre-cal. It'll either list eligible or ineligible. You can sign into the portal to check your eligibility. Keep in mind that eligibility doesn't guarantee college credit. It simply means that you have the opportunity to accept or deny credit. If you're eligible, you have met the college ready requirements. There's nothing that you need to do. You can keep calm and pre-cal on. If you're ineligible and you didn't meet the college readiness standards by earning a 59.5 or higher, you can submit documentation of college readiness to the TSI submission assignment in your college course by Friday, February 24th, 2023. On the left, you'll see the different scores that would make you college ready. If you need to set up TSI testing time, please email Ms. Nix. For course recommendations for next year, if you're thinking about what classes you want to take next year, we have some things for you to take a look at, sort of 3 pathways. The first one is what to do if you're currently in OnRamps and you consistently make A's or a mix of A's and B's. You can then take a look at your options depending on your career interests or what you think you might want to do. If you make B's and C's, you want to take a look at this chart here in the middle. And if you're struggling to pass, you have options as well for next year's classes. So please take a look at these and make sure you understand what your options are, and feel free to speak with your teacher or your counselor if you have any questions.